Hello, and welcome to the Getting Started on the Platform video modules, which is part of the 7 Bridges onboarding lesson. While following along to this video, please keep in mind some key concepts. The first is that the platform is an environment that will contain all the data, tools, and computing resources you'll be needing. The second is that any dbGaP approvals or permissions are automatically connected to your account when logging in using an ERA Commons ID. This means there won't be any delay in accessing your data. At the end of the video, you will be able to do the following. Create an account on the Cancer Genomics Cloud, or CGC for short, and use that account to log in. You'll be able to navigate around the platform dashboard, check your hosted dataset access on the platform, and lastly, request pilot credits. In the platform demonstration, we will do the following. 1. Create an account. 2. Tour the CGC dashboard and check on dataset access. And 3. Request pilot credits. The login page for the CGC looks like this. It can be found at cgc.sbgenomics.com. The link will be provided in the video description. Users can choose to sign in with either an ERA Commons ID or a personal email address. Here we see the login screen when signing in via ERA Commons. Users can also choose to create an account using a personal email address. Once ready, click Register. Once an account has been linked or created, we can then use that information to log into the CGC. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your CGC dashboard page. On the left, you'll see projects, and on the right, various analyses that have recently been completed. If you scroll down, you'll be taken to some helpful links to browse data or browse some of our apps. And on the right-hand side, we have some helpful guides. You could read through how to create a project, invite a collaborator, and more. If at any point you feel confused or are unsure of what to do, you can scroll down and click the question mark button on the bottom right-hand corner. You'll find this on every single page of the platform. Here you'll find context-specific links, or you could contact our support team directly. Back at the top of the page, we can find a username in the top right-hand corner of this blue banner. Click on this username to learn more. The very top link gives you information on whether you have dataset access. You can click on the Learn More link to find out more. Here, you'll have more detailed information about what controlled data you can or cannot access. As you can see, for this particular account, I do not have controlled dataset access. That means I can only browse open data from TCGA, Target, and more. If your account looks like this and you feel like you should have controlled data access, you'll be given an option to upgrade your account by connecting it to your ERA Commons ID. You can also click the link to learn more. Once you're ready to request your pilot funds, find that blue question mark button on the bottom right-hand corner and click on that. From here, you'll contact our support team directly, so you can type in a message along the lines of, "Hi, I'm a new CGC user and would like to request my pilot credits." These credits are courtesy of the NCI and are available to any new users of the Cancer Genomics Cloud. Once you're ready, click on Send. Alright, so some key takeaways. 1. You can create an account using your ERA Commons ID or an email address. 2. The platform dashboard gives you access to create projects, browse data and tools, and to check your controlled dataset access levels. And 3. You can request Pilot Fund Cloud credits via the Cancer Genomics Cloud website, which is linked on the right as well as in the description of this video, or directly through the platform. The next video in our module list is Project Creation and Collaboration. See you there!